Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can pair the Galaxy Buds Pro with the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Galaxy Buds Pro's case. Once it is open, and make sure that it is charged or have enough power. You can see on my Galaxy phone, we automatically detect the Galaxy Buds Pro. Now tap on the connect button to connect with the Galaxy Buds Pro. Immediately it will show us how much power that I have on this case right here, and you can see the connections is seamless and easy. If it detects that your Galaxy Buds Pros need to update with the latest software, it will give you the option to download and perform the update. You could choose to do it later. Now because this Buds Pros are on very low power, so I will not do it right now. I'm going to choose later. Alright, so if the pop-up window does not show, what you can do is swipe down at the top and tap on settings. In settings, tap on connections and then tap on Bluetooth. Alright, so let's say if the Galaxy Buds Pro is not connected, so I'm going to unpair it now. Unpair. So what you do is in this Bluetooth screen, you're going to go to the available devices and you tap on the device name, and then it will try to pair it up with your Galaxy Buds Pro right here, and then you tap on the pair button, and that's it. So very straightforward to pair your Galaxy Buds Pro with your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. And once it is once it is connected, you can now choose how you can control your Galaxy Buds. So you can set the noise control to noise cancellation, off, or ambient sound. You can choose voice detect. For touch controls, you can choose how you can use the touch controls, such as block touches, touch and hold. You can go into earbuds settings, or even find my earbuds. So if you lost your earbuds, you can use the find my earbuds to locate where it's about. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.